If your Chrome browser is acting slow, showing strange pop-ups, loading pages incorrectly, or just not working the way it should, resetting Chrome can be a really quick way to fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset Chrome back to its original default settings in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick if you want to remove unwanted changes, clear out browser issues, or start fresh without uninstalling Chrome completely. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its main options and settings. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome Settings page. On this page, scroll down until you find the Reset Settings section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little bit to see it. Once you find it, click Reset Settings. Inside the Reset menu, you'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. This is the option you want if you're trying to fully reset Chrome. Go ahead and click that option. Chrome will usually show a confirmation box so you can review what will happen before the reset takes place. When you're ready, click Reset Settings. Chrome will now reset instantly. This process will turn off extensions, clear temporary data, and restore browser settings like your home page, search engine, and startup preferences back to the default state. It does not usually delete your bookmarks, saved passwords, or browsing history, but it is always a good idea to double-check anything important before making changes. Once the reset is complete, your browser should feel much cleaner and more responsive. If you were dealing with weird redirects, homepage changes, or performance issues, this often fixes the problem right away. After the reset, you can reopen Chrome and start using it again with fresh default settings. That's how to reset Chrome quickly and easily. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.